BCD is a square. Let's have a look. BCD. There's no A. Point A has yet to be drawn. That's why there's no A. What are its coordinates? Righty-ho. What we need to do is find the middle of the square. So it will be, they're testing really that you know about the properties of a square. The diagonals cross each other right in the middle. So this would be the diagonal going across there, and this is where it would cross it. So that is the middle of the square. Now we go 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to C. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to our square there. Now the other thing you'll notice is that it is just on the diagonal. So of course the actual lines will go like that as well. Let's just check. Goes sort of tucking along in each corner, and then we'll see if I can draw down this one. Yes, it goes from corner to corner. So that's our point A. We need to work out its coordinates. We go along the corridor and up the stairs. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, up, 3, 2.